Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to knit. Basic things which we need in knitting is needle, scissor and needle. This is called straight needles and these are called circular needles. Today I will work on straight needle. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I will cast on make a knot like this in one needle, tied it. Now you will cast on the long size thread or wool. Now do it like this with 2 fingers. Hold the wool and put the needle in the first and then pull a loop from the other finger like this and do it like this. Insert from the first and then from the second and then pull the wool. Again, see, pull the yarn. Again, very easy, cast on. I will make 10 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now make it straight like this. Now take the other needle. Now put from the front side. This is knit. Now make it straight like this. Now take the other needle. Now put from the front side. This is knit. Pull from the front and turn the yarn from the back of the needle. Pull it and drop the stitch. Again, see, insert the needle into the yarn from the right side. Turn the yarn, pull it and drop the stitch. Again, in the first time it will be little bit difficult, but don't worry. When you will use to it, it will be easy for you. Again, turn the yarn, pull and drop the stitch. Now again, insert from the front, turn the yarn, pull it and drop the stitch. This is the very easy way to knit. Again, turn the yarn, pull and drop the stitch. Now again, insert from the front, turn the yarn, pull it and drop the stitch. This is the very easy way to knit. last two, this one the last. Don't do it hard or loose, make it in the middle way. Now again knit right side, insert the hook needle from the right side, turn the yarn, pull, drop the stitch. Again turn, knit right side, insert the hook needle from the right side, turn the yarn, pull, drop the stitch. Again turn, this is I am knitting. Very easy, not too difficult. When you learn, it will be no difficult for you anymore. See? Now I will show you how to make purl. Put the needle from the back side like this and turn the yarn around it and drop the stitch. Again from the back side, this is what you call purl stitch. This is purl and I will make knit from the other side. Now I will show you how to knit. Insert the hook from the front, turn the yarn, pull, drop. Again inshallah I will show you how to make border and how to make other stitches design in next video. This is the basic how to cast on and how to make purl and knit. I hope you will understand this. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and I will show you another stitch in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Again turn yarn, pull thread and drop the stitch. like this.